What's the one thing that nearly everyone agrees makes them happy? It's ice cream. And in this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we're going to show you how to make your own chocolate waffle that you can use to make the base of your very own ice cream sundae. In this instance, we're going to start with a chocolate cake mix, but we're going to spruce it up a little. Whereas the original recipe asked for water, we're going to substitute milk. They want 3 eggs, we're going to add 4. Of course, we're going to add the oil in. This is going to make for a very, very moist chocolate waffle to be the base of our ice cream sundae. Alright, so to get started, you of course want to add a little bit of cooking spray to the waffle maker. You don't want anything to stick. And then just put in enough waffle mix to fill up the base of the waffle iron. We're using a ladle, small ladle. You need maybe a scoop, a little over a scoop. You don't want to overflow this thing. A few minutes later, you're going to get a beautiful looking waffle. The longer you leave it in there, the crunchier it's going to get. Don't leave it in too long because you don't want it to dry out. Go ahead, pull it out when you're happy with the level of softness that it is. In this instance, we're making 2, and between the 2 waffles, we are going to put our first scoop of vanilla ice cream. That's right, we're not going to be satisfied with 1 scoop on top of a waffle. We are going to put a 1 scoop between 2 waffles, and then we're going to top it off with another scoop of ice cream. So this is a 2 scoop of ice cream sundae. Of course, we need some sort of sauce to bring it all together. We're going to use caramel. You can use chocolate if you like. My personal favorite is caramel. That's what we're going to use. While that caramel drips down, let me invite you to subscribe and tell us in the comments what your favorite ice cream is. Anyway, after you get that caramel sauce on there, nuts. You can use peanuts, you can use pecans, you can use walnuts. We're using macadamia nuts. Of course, to give it some color, we're adding sprinkles. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time for another episode from Ghost Host Kitchen.